So today we're going to do something different. We're going to do an unboxing video and give you our first impressions of the battery chargers from RedArc, the new SmartCharge 240 volt powered supply. This one here is a 4 amp, this one here is a 10 amp. Now they're designed for set and forget applications. They're going to be suitable for your big lead acid batteries, right through to a range of different types to even lithium. Now, why don't we get on with it and have a look. We'll start with this little unit here, the 4 amp. Now the 4 amp is going to be really suitable for smaller things like batteries that would go into quads, even motorbikes, that type of thing. Now, if you undo the box, always good boxing with RedArc, and if you've ever bought a product, there it is straight up, sitting in there. Now, let's take it out. We'll just put that to one side, we'll undo it, because there's sure to be more stuff. Yeah, here we go. Over here, we'll just pull that out. So it looks like we've got some stickers, I would say, so that we can use to label it. There's a RedArc user manual, which we're going to need to read at some stage to understand how it all works and how it goes together. And then there looks like some cards here. I'd say these are Ready Reckoner cards. And yeah, look, they look like they're in different languages. This one here is in English. So it's got some diagrams. And over on the back here, it's got some more diagrams which shows you the displays for the LEDs. Alright, we'll just put that in there and get back over here. Out of the way. Now, the unit. Let's have a look. Look, it feels nice to start with. It's all compact. I like the way the cable is already held in place. A lot of things you have cables flying around. It's even designed to have places to store it. So look at that. That's neat straight up. From the switching point of view, we've got an on-off button. We've got something here for 14.7 volts. I'm not sure what that is yet. We'll have a look at that in a moment. An LED display, and I would assume it's a warning light. So why don't we put that aside and we'll just compare that now with the 10 amp unit. I won't take the 10 amp unit out, but look, you can see straight up there's a difference in size, and this would be due to the amount of amps that this thing's going to generate for big batteries like starter batteries, cranking batteries, whereas the smaller one is for the smaller style. So I've got a battery here which I'll bring over. This is a new battery that we had to buy because this is why we need the charger, because I left the unit uncharged and now we don't have a battery that will hold charge. So undoing it, it's just a simple case of undoing the cables. Same with the 240 volt, I'll undo that. There you go. It does come with a polarity check, so if you were to put it on wrong, the unit won't work, it won't cause any issues or set up an alarm for you. Putting it into the 240 volt power supply, turning that on, we'll turn the unit on, and we can see already it's starting to charge. It's doing an analysis and it's starting to put charge into the battery, and the LED flashing is telling us it's charging. Now, I'll take the opportunity now to just have a little look at the box, because the box does show on the side here the stages that we're going to put the battery charging through. So if we have a look, it's an 8-stage charger, starting out with an analysis phase, then a soft start phase, then it goes to a main charge. You can see it ramps up. It then goes to a top charge where it holds that charge, then goes into an analysis mode, then from there into a float mode, then it goes into a sleep mode, and the sleep mode is for 1 week. And then after that 1 week, it wakes up and then we'll repeat the process again. So this is perfect for the type of arrangement that we want it for, because we want to be able to put it in our equipment, like things like our quads and even our lawnmowers and that sort of stuff. Leave it, set it, and forget it. So that's the 4 amp range. We've now got the 10 amp range. I probably should take that over to our car now and give that a whirl as well. So there it is, straight out of the box. It's the new battery charge range from Red Arc.